So, we have a Chad Valley bubble lawnmower. It's okay, you can put it on now. I can't remember how much this was. 12, I think. See? She's mowing the grass. Wow! Is that fun? Is it? We could just put it, stand still, and we could chase the bubbles.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, let me put it.
Let's put it out. Wait a minute. Oh, you're going to pick it up, you? It's very fast bubbles, isn't it?
Then tip this here.
Here we are.
Pretend you was
My daughter
the
loves
nasty-
makeup. Show the camera your face.
Pretend you was the monster.
I got to be the monster, have I?
I'm the nasty monster.
I'm the nasty monster. Can I be the nice monster?
No, pretend you were the nasty.
There's the bubbles. Bubbles!
Pretend you saw me and you growled at me because
Growled at you.
because you and you turned me into a frog.
I turned you into a frog.
No, and you was a nasty caterpillar, right?
Okay. Rah.
Mummy,
What?
I have an idea.
What?
Should we pretend you was chasing me and when I was roaming the class, right?
Okay. Ah,
Follow me, Mum.
I gotta follow you.
Yes, Mama.
It was really easy to put together. These clipped here, and then we clip them in here. Fill the solution in here. Batteries went underneath. Voila, bubbles. What's your idea, babe?
Should we run about and I run about with the right? Yeah, good idea.
Good idea, right?
And you follow me, right?
I think it says 3+, but if he has 4, and I don't know if it's a bit young for her.
Oh, gold!
Is it?
That one doesn't stick onto it.
Don't it?
Yeah, see?
Look at me. And there we have it. The Chad Valley. It's from Chad Valley. It's the bubble machine. The only thing is, I think it could be higher. That's my only criticism. So they went up in the air. But that's just me, I suppose.